Hello guys, my name is Sarah Amber and I am learning English. This podcast here is for me read to improve my English pronunciation. Let's learn English together. Follow the text below. Episode 1: Believe in yourself and learning English. Hello and welcome to my podcast. My name is Sarah Amber and I am learning English. I am not fluent yet, but I believe in practice. I believe in growth. And I believe that you and I can learn English together. In this podcast, I will read messages of motivation, learning, and life. Today, I want to talk about believing in yourself. Sometimes we feel afraid. Afraid to speak, afraid to make mistakes, afraid people will laugh. But here is the truth. Everyone makes mistakes. That is how we learn. When you learn English, it is like learning to walk. You fall, you stand up, you try again, and one day you walk with confidence. One day you speak with power. Don't wait for perfect English to start. Start now with what you have, with your voice, with your heart. You are not alone. Many people are learning just like you, just like me. So repeat after me. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. Repeat again. I believe in myself. I can learn English. I can learn English. Repeat again. I can learn English. I don't have to be perfect. I just have to try. I don't have to be perfect. I don't have to be perfect. Repeat with me. I don't have to be perfect. I don't have to be perfect. I just have to try. I just have to try. Perfect. Every word you say in English is a small victory. Every sentence is a step forward. Every time you listen, you read, or speak, you grow. It is okay to be slow. It is okay to forget words. Just don't give up. I believe something powerful. The people who win are not always the best. They are the ones who never stop. So keep going. Read, listen, and speak. Join me in this podcast. Let's grow together. Thank you for being here with me today. If you liked this message, share it with someone who is learning English too. And remember, believe in yourself. Yes, believe in yourself. You are strong. Thank you, think. You are strong. See you in the next episode. Bye for now and keep speaking English with your heart. See you in the next video. Bye. Love you. Thank you so much.